A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for giraffe. H for hen. I for ice cream. J for jug. K for kangaroo. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. O for orange. P for panda. Q for queen. R for rose. S for sunflower. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for van. W for window. X for X-ray. Y for yarn. Z for zebra। हे बच्चों, अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो लाइक और सब्सक्राइब कर दो प्लीज़।